When someone wrongs us once, forgiveness feels hard but possible. When someone wrongs us repeatedly, especially through something like theft, it feels different. It feels unsafe. It feels unjust. And we begin to wonder, if I forgive, am I enabling evil? If I confront, am I being unloving? Let's walk gently through this. Forgiveness is about your heart, not their escape. When Matthew speaks about forgiving 70 times 7, the invitation isn't about becoming a doormat. It's about keeping your heart free from bitterness. Forgiveness means I release revenge. I refuse to let hatred grow in me. I entrust justice to God. It does not mean I allow continued harm. I ignore repeated sin. I pretend nothing happened. You can forgive someone and still say, "This must stop." Love sets boundaries. There's a powerful moment in Matthew 18 where Jesus talks about confronting someone who sins. The process includes 1. Speak to them privately. 2. Bring witnesses if needed. 3. Involve the community if necessary. That's not passive, that's structured accountability. Love is not softness without truth. Love protects what is good. Even in Romans 13, governing authorities are described as instruments for restraining wrongdoing. Reporting theft is not revenge. It can be part of restoring order and protecting others, teaching a lesson versus seeking restoration. There's a difference between punishing to hurt, consequences to awaken. If someone steals repeatedly in large amounts, forgiveness alone may not change them. Sometimes consequences are the very thing that interrupts a destructive pattern. Think of it like a broken bone. If it's not set correctly, it heals crooked. Correction can feel painful, but it prevents deeper damage. The goal is not to teach them a lesson out of anger, but to stop the cycle and give space for repentance. Jesus and repeated harm. When Jesus encountered persistent wrongdoing, he forgave, but he also confronted. He didn't chase those who rejected truth. He sometimes withdrew. He sometimes spoke hard words. Forgiveness and distance can coexist. So what is the biblical way? In situations of repeated theft, 1. Forgive in your heart. 2. Establish firm boundaries. 3. Remove access to what they are stealing. 4. Involve lawful or community authority if needed. 5. Pray for their transformation, not their destruction. Mercy and justice are not enemies. They meet at the cross, where wrong was not ignored but dealt with. Here's something to reflect on. If you allow continued theft without consequence, are you protecting their soul or protecting your discomfort with confrontation? Sometimes the most loving act is to say, "I forgive you, and this must stop." We often say transformation happens in truth-filled community. Forgiveness frees your heart. Boundaries guard what God has entrusted to you. And consequences, when carried with humility, can become the doorway to change.